On this historic day, we honor the remarkable journey of our nation, which gained its freedom on October 1st, 1960. This milestone marked the proclamation of Nigeria's independence, our liberation from colonial rule, and the birth of a sovereign nation. We commemorate the courage of those who paved the way for self-determination, unity, and progress. Nigeria's Independence Day stands as a symbol of resilience, strength of spirit, and the rich cultural diversity that defines our great nation. It is a day not only for celebration, but also for reflection, a reminder of the sacrifices of our heroes past, and a call to action for us to uphold the values of democracy, justice, and inclusivity. As we celebrate, let us recognize the strength in our diversity and renew our commitment to building a Nigeria where every citizen has the opportunity to thrive. Together, let us create a society of growth, opportunity, and shared prosperity. To all Nigerians at home and in the diaspora, we at Ruston Group extend warm wishes on this Independence Day. May our nation continue to prosper and remain a beacon of hope, unity, and progress. Happy Independence Day, Nigeria.